Hey, it's Acoustic Paint.
I'm Kathleen.
And I'm Elizabeth.
And today we are going to make a homemade pizza.
We'll need 3 cups of flour, it's a big T, is that tablespoons? 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 2 1/2 teaspoons of, this is important, instant dry yeast. This says active dry yeast, but the yeast that we're actually using is this.
We just like the container. So.
And
Instant.
1 cup of warm water.
Let's bring this over to the mixing machine and we'll go from there.
Now we're going to put some plastic wrap over the top and let it rise for about an hour, and we'll get back to you when it's done.
Yeah, here it is. It's been about an hour and we're pretty hungry for dinner, so we just decided we'd get going. We're putting this aside because we're making 2. We're preheating the oven for 450 right now. You can do this at this time because it won't take you too long from now to make pizza. It's all rolled out. See, it's really thin. I mean, it's a little loppy, but it'll be okay once you get it on there. This is really a 2-person job because you don't want your dough to split. So, this is just the tricky part. And at this time, you kind of lay it out into your circle you want. Now it is time to put on your sauce and cheese. All right, so we're gonna taste it. Tastes like pizza. Tastes good.
Yeah.
So feel free to use our recipe. I highly recommend it. And be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy watching this video. And
have a fabulous day. Bye.